morning, YouTube. Hey, I've had a frequent flyer lately, and we changed the fan out on a Yamaha Kodiak 400, and all the connections were bad to begin with. From the factory, they were not crimped, so I had to splice into it and put some butt connectors on it, and those turned out to be loose connections too. So I come in here today and hardwired this whole thing. I took and soldered all the joints and put him a switch on it. Hold on just a moment, I'm going to show you all this. What I'm talking about is I went in there and I isolated the fan circuit and put a switch in it, wired it directly to the battery so it come on, stay on whenever with the switch. The only time you can get it to go off is with the switch. Turn it on with the switch, turn it off with the switch. That way you never have to worry about your sensor working or your engine getting hot or even warm for that matter. You can turn it on and run it anytime, whether you're going down the highway, which will keep it even cooler and keep your fuel levels cool and just make your overall performance your machine better. So I went in there and did that, and everything should be hunky-dory now. So hit the like button. Please hit the like button. I don't care if you like it or not. Hit the like button. Ring the bell. Subscribe. And leave a comment down below. Tell me how big an idiot I am. I don't care. Thank you. God bless.